son! What an absolutely massive explosion. Ooh, and live footage of my grade after Coach Green's class. Wow. Never fear, though, for I have risen. The king is risen. And this is what we're actually talking about. The meltdown in Chernobyl. Terrible accident. Truly a tragedy. Now, Coach Green, please give me a 100 for this. I worked really hard. Now, Chernobyl was built in 1972 by these fellows, the Soviet Union. No. We're not here to talk about them. We're here to discuss their products, Chernobyl, which, at its prime, held what was considered a state-of-the-art nuclear reactor, the RBMK-1000, which provided much of Ukraine with nuclear energy, which was reliable and efficient. This is what fueled Chernobyl, uranium-235. Uranium-235 holds a whopping 92 on the atomic numbers. And with 270.03 grams per mole, that is one chonky boy. Uranium-235 has 92 protons, 143 neutrons, and 92 electrons. Uranium typically decays through alpha emissions, which emit alpha radiation particles. Uranium usually takes part in a fission reaction, meaning that its atom is split. This element is part of the actinide family. Uranium isotopes such as U-232, U-233, U-234, U-235, U-236, U-237, U-238, and U-239. Uranium is a dense, hard, metallic element that is silvery white in color, ductile, malleable, and capable of high polish. However, when coming into contact with air, it becomes very tarnished. Now, you heard me glaze the RBMK-1000 earlier, and you're likely wondering, how did it work? Well, I'll tell you. Uranium-235 is arranged in a pool of water. Graphite control rods are moved up and down to control the fission rates. The water would then turn into steam, which spun turbines, which, in the end, would create electricity in generators. And now for the meat of it. How did this happen? At night, on April 26, 1986, Alexander Akimov, Leonid Toptunov worked under the supervision of Anatoly Dyatlov. That evening, during a low-power test, the control rods were completely removed from the reactor. This complete ignoration of safety precautions led to a massive explosion, which blew up the fragile, inadequately built roof over the reactor. With no roof to hold it back, the smoke plume is free to spread deadly radioactive material far and wide across the Eurasian continent, as can be seen in this lovely clip provided. I would like to thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and please consider liking, subscribing, and commenting, so maybe Coach Green will give me a 100.